Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this RGB gaming mouse pad. It's an XXL version, so it's super huge and it has some really nice lighting, which is adding up really nicely on my setup, I think. And this is basically what you can expect here for first off. And yeah, color-wise, it's pretty strong. There's different options to choose from. Just find what you think works well for your setup. I'm pretty satisfied with this right now, but I mean, obviously there's people that prefer other colors or like the rainbow effect and stuff. That's also all a possibility here. So all you have to do is you click on the button in top here, and then you can change up the colors and figure out what you want and what you like. And yeah, let's just go through them. Like there's some greens, and the purples. I like the purple one too. I like light bluish, then yellow, and then this, I don't even know if it's orange or supposed to be, can't really tell. And here's some other effect where it's like rotating and doing all these random stuff. I think it's a little bit too much, but I know there's people out there that like this as well. So yeah, I mean, that's basically what this is. What I really like about it is that it's really big, so you can easily fit everything on there that you might be using, needing, whatever. Still got room in the bottom underneath, and the fabric feels pretty good as well. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna plug it in, and then you can start using it. Also, it is apparently water resistant. I'm not sure about that though. I did not want to try that out by throwing water on there because I'm not wanting to risk it. That's what the seller at least tells you. So figure that out yourself if you want to. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it though for this video. Our setup is still not perfectly. We still got our bad camera. I'm sorry about that. We are going to fix that soonish. So yeah, I will see you around, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care. Until the next time, and have a good one. Bye bye.